Hello, my name is Martin, and welcome to Inside the Olympics with Richard Pound. Today, we're going to talk about organizing the Olympic Games. Enjoy it. So logistically speaking, how many people work to prepare an Olympic game?
I would say you're probably looking at 100,000 or more. The people who build things, the people who operate them, the people who stage them, the people who do the officiating, the crowd control folks, the security folks, transportation folks, volunteers.
Wow.
It's a and security, of course. It's a big and very, very complex operation. In a sense, it's a shame for a number of reasons that we had the COVID-19, because had the games been held in 2020 on schedule, they would certainly have been the best organized games in the history of the Olympics. The Japanese organizers were superb, and frankly, it would have been the second time that Japan amazed the world. In 1964, Japan did not have a great reputation in the sense of precision optics and all of these sort of things. And when they put the games on, it was a whole new paradigm in organizational excellence, and that would have been surpassed in 2020. So, in the sense of whatever has to be done to make the Olympics work, the Japanese, they've got their number one team on this, and I think probably only Japan in the entire world would have been as well organized so as to be able to postpone this for a year. Nobody else could have done that, and it's a tribute to their organizational skills that we're even contemplating games in the next couple of months.
Yeah, so when you're looking at a delay of 1 year and you have 100,000 people helping to organize an event like this, this is like you said, it's a massive undertaking. And now you're asking them to do it not just once, but in a way twice.
Oh, it's really like stopping the Queen Mary in mid-ocean and say, count to 12 months, and then start the engines again. And so they had to make all kinds of arrangements with the presumptive owners of all of the facilities, stadium and things like that, who'd already made plans starting in 2021, because those facilities would have been delivered to them. They say, hold it, we can't do it in 2020. You're going to have to put things on hold for a year, and then you'll get them, a year after you expected. Same with the Olympic Village and all of those, the transportation. They hire thousands and thousands of buses, often from all over the world, to deal with the Olympic traffic. Nobody has enough buses to take the Olympic surge of passengers that have to be got from their hotels to the competition venues, back to their hotels, and so forth. So, it's a very, very painstaking organization for sure.
I hope you enjoyed this video on Inside the Olympics with Richard Pound. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, press the like button, and if you wish to receive more videos like this, press on the notification bell. If you'd like to, please leave a comment. We would enjoy hearing from you.